Hi everybody, it's Stacy with Hairlocs. I'm here with Erin and we're going to be doing a full head lengthening with eye tips today. First, I'm going to color match her and then we will get started with her install. Stay tuned for her hair transformation. Now I'm going to be doing her color match. I like to take the swatch and use a smaller section and match it to the ends of the hair. That way you see more of what the eye tip would blend with the look. It's important to match the swatch to the ends of her hair rather than her base because she's naturally rooted and that would make more of a custom color appointment. Now that we have her color match, let's jump into her install. Okay guys, we're going to start sectioning my model's hair. Quick tip for y'all, whenever you're sectioning and getting your rows ready, keep everything super clean so your install can go smoothly. Okay guys, remember those crosshairs we were talking about earlier? To eliminate those, you're going to want to use your Hairlocs Velcro separator and gently place that at the base of your section. Press up to eliminate baby hairs, and then you're going to have this clean row to start in on. Okay guys, so I'm starting her third row. This is an important row because it's going to connect the sides of her hair with the back of her head. Make sure you're keeping all your rows very clean for a smooth and proper install. Okay guys, we're starting Erin's fourth and final full row. In her initial consultation, we talked about how she likes to wear her hair and how she likes to style it. When I'm placing her extensions, I'm being mindful of ways that she likes to wear it, so she'll have a natural overall look and seamless blend when we're all done. Okay guys, we're pretty much finished with her install. I am going to add a few more eye tips in this section. It's going to add more density and give her a fuller look. So we're going to do that now. Stay tuned for her final transformation. We're almost done with her install. With Hairlocs quality being so good, as you can see, the extensions are blending perfectly with my client's natural hair. I only have a couple steps left as far as trimming and face framing, so stay tuned for her final transformation. Hey everyone, it's Stacy with Hairlocs again. I'm here with Erin. We finished up her look. She came in today wanting the full extension experience. We wanted length and volume added to her natural hair. We went with 5 bundles of I-tip extensions. We did a mix of colors HL19 and HL20. I hope everyone enjoyed Erin's hair transformation today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on any of our social media platforms or visit hairlocs.com. And just remember, Hairlocs is high quality hair at affordable prices.